And today's class goes like this, and it is related to the cardinality of the set, okay, and its word problem. According to this, question number 4I. Can you read the question, Aditya?
In a survey of 60 persons, 30 drink milk, 25 drink curd, and 10% drink milk as well as curd.
Okay.
Number A. Draw a
Okay,
Venn
okay,
diagram to
that one. Okay, that much,
illustrate
that much
the
only. Okay, that much
above.
only. That much only. Leave it. Okay.
Sir,
First,
this question we have already done. One number.
4 number already done. Okay, now look here.
No, sir, phone number 1 you
One
got up.
only we have done
Okay, okay, then it will be little bit
last
faster
time.
today. Okay, now listen to me. It will be revision also here. Question tells that look at 60%. There are 60%. Okay, in the survey, in one survey, okay, there was 60% and 30 drink milk and 25 drink curd and 10% drink milk as well as curd. Okay, that look here. I have supposed here the person in the number of that people who drink milk. I have supposed M. Okay, later M. Okay, you can suppose A also. You can suppose B also as your choice. Okay, it's not compulsory to suppose M only. Okay, but it starts from milk. That's why I have written there M. Okay, so then don't be confused about it. Okay, and listen. And I have supposed the number of people who like who drink curd. I have supposed there C. Number of look cardinal number of sets do C. What is there 25? And both means what? Cardinal number of milk intersection curd. Okay, milk intersection curd. How many are there, Sarita? How many like both?
60.
How many like both? 10. And question is asking there. Okay, question is asking there. Draw Venn diagram and show them. Illustrate the above information in a Venn diagram. Okay, and look at, and it is asked to find, then asked to find an aminoency complement. Okay, that means who don't like, okay, milk and curd. Aminoency complement means what? The number of person who, okay, drink neither of them. Neither of them is neither milk nor curd. Neither milk nor curd. Okay, Celine. Now look here. I am showing here first of all in Venn diagram. Look here. Eh? Is the Venn diagram displayed there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look here. First of all, draw this universal set. Okay, this one rectangular box. Okay, and look here. Here this one circle. This one denotes to the people who like milk. M right there. Okay, and this is another one is for curd. Why they are overlapping? Why they are overlapping? Because look here, there is clearly given that 10% drink milk as well as curd. That's why these two are overlapping sets. We have to draw overlapping sets. Are you clear, children? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have to start writing. We have to start writing from this common one. Okay, children? This 10. 10 people like 10 people like milk as well as curd. That's why write from this 10. Okay. And look here, why this 10 is subtracted from 30? Do you know? Because there were total there were 30 people who drink milk. But look here, we have found here 10 people, 10% like milk as well as curd. That's why this 10 will be subtracted from this 30. Okay, Celine? First of all, 10 then. Here, what is remaining now? How many people like only milk? Can you tell, Simran? Only
20.
milk. How many are there who like only milk?
20.
20. Very good. Very good. 20. There are 20, okay, people, 20% who like milk only. And Aditya, can you tell how many are there who like curd only there? Total there were 25, right? And 10 already gone here. Then 25 minus 10,
Sir, 15.
15. Very good. 15. And look here, after that we have to add. We have to add this 20, 10 and 15. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 15, 45, right? And there were total how many there? How many people were there in survey? 60.
Sir, 60.
But here became only 45, right? Then how many are remaining? That remaining right outside. Outside the set M and C. How many are remaining? 15. That's why this 15 right outside. Are you clear, children, about it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. I hope everybody have understood this, how to draw this Venn diagram and so set U, M and set C. Are you clear, children? Should I forward to the next step? Or you have confusion? If you have confusion, please tell, okay, where you have confusion to draw this Venn diagram.
Sir, you can start.
Okay.
Next step.
After this we are going to find an M union C complement. That means the number of person who drink neither of them. Neither of them means neither milk nor curd. Okay, Celine? Here what we have to do? What we have to do here? Look here, I am going to show you the stepwise. First of all, we have to find an M union C. This formula you know. In place of A there is M, in place of B there is C. You know this formula is already given to you. Do you remember this formula, Sarita? N M plus N C minus N M intersection C. When I had given formula, there was A intersection B, there was, right? There were the states A and B. Don't be confused about this, okay? You, in place of M, you can suppose A also, but here is milk, that's why I have supposed M. Okay? Don't be confused about it. Later. Are you clear, children, about this formula M union C? Then we have to write NM is 30, NC is given there 25, and NM intersection C there is given 10. Now we have to add 30 plus 25, it will be 55 minus 10. This is 45. 45 is the value of an M union C. Why we found this an M union C? Do you know? Because to find M union C complement, we need to find this M union C first. Then we have to find now M union C complement equals to NU, number of universal set minus cardinal number of M union N. Are you clear, children? Why it is found here first? 55 minus 10, 45. This 45 is the value of M union N. We need to find this value first. Now 60 minus 45. What is the answer, children? Now how many of the people? Look, how many person? Okay, like neither of them. You understood, children? How many of them like neither of them? How many of them like neither of them?
Sir, 15.
15. Very good. Very good. 15. Have you understood, children, this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am showing the next question also, and how to solve that. Okay, I am going to teach you. This is the question. Sarita, can you read it?
In a survey of 600 people, 400 liked folk
Folk
songs,
song, okay.
150 likes modern songs, and 40 likes both of the songs. How many like none of them? Illustrate the above information in a Venn diagram.
Very good. And question is telling that, look here, in previous question it was told, it was asked to draw Venn diagram first. That's why we had drawn Venn diagram first. Okay. Here it is asking to find the value first, then draw the Venn diagram second. Okay. According to question we have to go, children. Okay. We have to forward in the solution according to the question. Okay, children. What will you do here first? We are going to find how many like none of them. Okay. First of all, look here. I have shown here also total number of people in the survey is 600. That is NU. And number of person or number of people who like folk song is 400. And number of people who like modern song, that is NM, is 150. And the number of people who like both folk song and modern song, that is denoted by NF intersection M, it is 40, right? And question is asking there to find NF union M complement. The complement means the number of person who like none of them. Are you clear, children, about this information? The
Yes, sir.
given information in the question, are you clear about the given information? Okay, here it is asked to find for. That's why find first. We have to go to solve the question accordingly. First, it is asked to find. First of all, find it. Okay, children. NF union M. That means NF plus NM minus F NF intersection M. You know this formula, and now put the values there. NF means 400, NM means 150, and F intersection M means 40. And you solve it, it will be 500, 550 minus 40. What will be still in there? 510. After finding 510, now we have to find out NF union M complement, because we have already found F union M. Now we can find out it. And F union M complement means which formula? NU minus NF union M. Then NU is what there? 600. 600 is the NU. And NF union M is there 510. Then what is the value that you got after subtraction? Children? What is the number of people who like none of them? 90. 90. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Are you clear, children, about this question? If you have any difficulties, please share with me. Nirita, Sakshi, Rohan, Susan, Riddhima. Do you have any difficulties, children? Now look here. After this, what is left to do? Can you tell what is left to do now to do in this question? What is left?
Venn diagram.
Very good. Venn diagram it is left to do here. We have to draw Venn diagram like this. Look here, children. First of all, we have right topic a Venn diagram and draw here one universal set. Okay. And look here. In this Venn diagram, I have supposed, look here, this is this one must be here. I want to show here. Here, what should you write here? Do you know this one, air symbol, this one, what must be here? Where I am annotating.
Sir, F.
Yes, this is F. Write there capital letter F. Okay, this is F. Okay, children. This is the number of people who like the folk song that we have to suppose F. Okay. Okay, children. And what will be in place of B there? Can you tell? Here we have suppose here.
Sir, M.
Here we have suppose modern. Write there M. Here we have tried M. Okay, children. Write there M. Write there M. Okay. Are you clear about it? First of all,
Yes, sir.
how many are how many like both of them? 40, right? 40. Start from here. And total, how many were there? Who like folk song? 400. And 400 minus 40, then how many are remaining here? Folk song only. 360. 300. 300. 60. Good. And how many like only modern song? 150 minus 40. 110. Then outside, how many are there outside? Those who don't like, folk song also and modern song also. How many are there? 90. Write them outside.
Sir, 9.
Are you clear, children, about this? Are you clear? Are you clear or not?
Sir.
Are you clear, children? This one, look here. That one, okay. This way, in place of A, we have written this F. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, children. Now let's move to the next one. The next one is like this here. Okay, children, here question goes like this. Out of 60 students, 35 like Lays, okay, and 25 like Kurkure, and 15 do not like any of them. Present the above information in a Venn diagram. Here we have to draw a Venn diagram first and find the number of students who like both the items. Who like both the items? We have to find intersection one. And according to question, look there, what we have to do first, children? We have to write all the information in a symbol. Okay, look here in symbol. Let NU be 65, NL equals to 35, NK equals to 24, Kurkure 124, and NL union K complement is there 15. Those who don't like this one, okay, Lays and Kurkure, that is Lays union Kurkure complement, that is 15. And question is asking to find here L union K, sorry, L intersection K is asked to find. Intersection means those who like both Lays and Kurkure, both. It is asked to find there. Are you clear, children, about the question? Aditya, are you clear about the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at it is asked to draw Venn diagram. Then Venn diagram write like this, okay, and draw the Venn diagram like this. Draw the Venn diagram like this. This L for Lays, and K for Kurkure, and how many of them were inside, Lays? 35, okay, and Look, inside Kurkure there were 24, and outside Lay's and Kurkure, what were there? 15, right? 15 here. Then what you have to do? We are going to find both items. Both items is what there? 9. How to find 9 first? First of all, we have to add, like, look here. 35 plus 15. 50, okay? And 50 plus 24, what was there? 50 plus 24. Can you tell? 50 plus 24.
So 74.
84.
74. And now from 74, we have to subtract 65. Total was 65. Total was 65. That's why from 74 subtract 65. What will come? 9. Right? Will it come 9 or not? That 9 should be written this at the middle one. Middle one 9 comes like that. Can you tell Aditya how it comes 9?
So by subtracting 70, 74 and 65.
First of all, how came 74? Do you know? 35 plus 24 plus 15. If you do, then it comes 74. And 74 minus total, what was the 65? The 9 comes. And that 9 you have to write at the middle one. Okay, children? Then we can subtract 9 here, and Lay's only comes at 26. And Kurkure only comes how many there? 15. Then outside Lay's and Kurkure there is given 15, already given in question, that is. Are you clear, children, about this Venn diagram? About this Venn diagram, are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to find the number of people who like both Lay's and Kurkure. Okay, how to find out here? First of all, we are using the formula of complement. Why we are using the formula of complement? Do you know? Because we have given already. We have there already complement values. That's why L union K complement is given there. How many are given? 15. That's why NU is 65. Then we will get L union K value, we will get 50. Right? This minus 1 comes on the right left side, then it will be N L union K positive. Then 15 goes this side. 65 minus 15, what will come? 50. Like this, we got the value of N L union K. Okay, children. After that, we have to write the value of, now look at formula of, again, Lay's intersection Kurkure. Lay's intersection Kurkure. N L intersection K equals to NL plus NK minus NL union K. This formula, you know, I have given this formula. Have I given this formula or not, Sarita? How to find intersection one? This formula is given. Now put the value of Lay's 35, Kurkure 24, and L union K just found here 50. 45 plus 24, 59. 59 minus 50, what will be there? Therefore, NL intersection K is 9. Are you clear, Simran? Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. And for today's class, I have kept this one. You can practice other question also. Okay? For today's class, I have kept this one explanation. In this explanation, do you have any difficulty, children?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay. And what I tell you, please do the assignment that provided by me and send. Okay, there only you can send wherever you get the homework. Okay, there only you can send. And I'm telling you, please click and send clear photo making what you have to make. Aditya, how to send the
Yes,
homework? Do you
sir.
know? You have to make
Yes,
clear,
sir.
clear photo and send. Okay, Celine?
Sir, I use the app named M Scanner. It is very good.
Okay, that's also very good. You can use the camera scanner also. Yes, very good. You can use also. Why not? Anyhow, you have to show, you have to submit, Yes, all the children are learning, The technology also very fast, okay? Then, please utilize it and send your homework within the provided one time also. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Do you have any difficulties in today's class?
No, sir.
No,
Look here.
sir.
Look here. I have to add one more here. Here. In this one survey, there is some time remaining. In a survey of 100 youth, okay, in a village, 40 youths are interested to foreign employment and 70 youths are interested in indigenous employment. Illustrate the above information in a Venn diagram and find a number of youths who are interested to both the employment. Okay, and look at number of youths who are interested to foreign employment only, and the number of youths interested to indigenous employment. I have shown there, look, symbol. Total number, suppose 100, and have foreign employment 140, indigenous employment 170, both for this foreign and indigenous employment both. Look here, 100, total one, okay, 100. Those who like foreign and indigenous employment both. Do you know why it is given 100? Why NU and F union I is 100 there? Why both of them are same? Because this is very very important thing, eh? Because it is given there clearly in question that there are, there are no employment, okay, who don't like, okay, this foreign employment and indigenous employment. That's why NU and NF union I are same. Okay, then look here, I have shown there, this this is foreign employment. How many children there? 40, and indigenous employment is there 70. 70 plus 40, what will be there? 110. 70 plus 40, 110, and this total in survey there were 100. How many more became, Simran? How many more became?
10.
10. Very good. That 10 will be in intersection part. Okay, Aditya? How this 10 came, understood? Now, for this 10 will be subtracted from 40, then foreign employment only comes 30, then 70 minus 10, okay, then you get 60, then that will come indigenous employment only. Are you clear about this Venn diagram?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now I am going to show you the next one is solution. A, now look here, N F intersection I. How we have to find out? Look, this is the way. NF plus NI minus NF union I. 70 plus 40, 110, 110 minus 110, okay? Then N only F. How to find N only F? This is already shown there, look here. NF minus NF intersection I. 40 minus 10, 30. Then N only I. NI minus NF intersection I, that is 70 minus 10, 60. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. Now, Sital, okay. Sital has entered again here. Okay, might have, out. Okay, she might have out because of the line also, electricity or internet. Okay, today this much lane. And you know that it is kept in the YouTube channel also, okay? Right? That is prepared for you. Is it helping you or not?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, bye bye all of you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
bye
sir.
bye.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye, bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye, bye bye, children.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye, Aditya. Bye bye.